off and on periods of rain are expected throughout the day. So bus stop this morning could be wet, bus stop home, also outside at recess. It is going to be soggy today, but around midday we may see a lull in rain activity develop. Here's the view in Knoxville right now. A lot of clouds are across the area. We have some rain falling as well. You can see the water droplets there on the lens. Now we are seeing rain coverage overall. It's highest across the western half of our area, but notice how it is filling in. So if you're not seeing rain yet, just wait. You will see some rain at some point today. North first, along the state line with Kentucky, we've had really soggy conditions through most of southeast Kentucky this morning. You can also see steady rainfall from Morgan County down into Anderson County, also into Knox County as well. South from there, steady rainfall along I-75 through Loudoun County into Monroe County. Starting to see showers approach Maryville and Alcoa. Up next would be Wares Valley and Townsend. Also, we'll see rain here shortly in Jefferson County as well. It's also associated with a cold front. Notice how the rain, though, is really focusing in southern Middle Tennessee back closer to Memphis. So I think the highest opportunity for rain this morning at this point is going to move from the northern half of our area to the southern half, really south of I-40, as that southern batch of rain starts to roll in. So we have really strong winds this morning, winds gusting 20 to 30 miles per hour with locally higher winds as well. Because it's so windy, temperatures are in the low 70s this morning, 71 in Knoxville, 70 in Tellico Plains. Elsewhere, we're in the 60s this morning. It's pretty comfortable. Temperatures should hold in the 70s this afternoon. We'll be watching around midday. A potential lull in rain activity is going to try to develop. We'll have to see if the sun breaks out. That is going to be key to the storms later. So scattered showers and storms next few hours. Here's midday. There's the lull trying to develop. If we see the sun, some of these storms later today could potentially be on the stronger side, but that's a big if. Most of the time, the clouds just stick around and we don't see much sunshine, so these storms stay sub-severe. So hopefully that's the trend again this afternoon. Rain coverage, it remains high into tonight. So again, off and on periods of rain, afternoon into the night, through the overnight. Early tomorrow morning, though, we do start to dry out. Rain chances will favor eastern areas initially in the morning, but then the clouds will break apart. So tomorrow's not a bad day at all. We will be drier into the afternoon especially. We should see some sun as well. Most spots still expecting around an inch of rainfall in addition to what we've already picked up. Notice how the higher totals really focusing in on the southern half of our area. That's where we have a slightly more elevated flood threat, especially across really southern areas south of 40. Medium threat for an isolated spot of some flooding tonight into tomorrow morning. That's also the zone we'll watch closely for potentially a stronger storm. Low threat, 1 out of 5. If the sun breaks out and we see fuel build across the area, we could potentially see a stronger storm. However, usually the clouds don't clear, and with storms to our south, stronger storms that is, usually they take up all the energy through parts of Mississippi and Alabama, and we just don't see any energy build into our area. So that's what we're expecting this afternoon, but at least there is a low potential for a stronger storm later today. Now we are going to turn a little bit cooler tomorrow. High temperatures will only be in the 60s. And then Friday morning should be chilly out the door. We'll be in the 40s, but we'll get back into the 70s in the afternoon with plenty of sunshine. Saturday looks great, but another round of rain will roll in on Sunday.